Marawi, Philippines, 5 months after fighting ended between Islamist militants and the government force on the southern Philippine island of Mindanao, little progress has been made in rebuilding shattered building and resettling hundreds of thousands of displaced people, beyond an army checkpoint, buildings on the verge of collapse Laina, city street in Marawi, which was ravaged by airstrikes and gun battles. Southwestern Mindanao is home to many Muslims. WHO support Rodrigo Duterte, the Philippines strongman President Duterte. WHO is from Mindanao, has shown no understanding of Islam, brings him team with the heavily Muslim region. But de la reconstruction could cause dissatisfaction to rise again, emboldening extremists. In May 2017, the Mote group clashed with Philippine troops in the city. All to the government retook Marawi in October, the former battlefield remains off limits. Now it has been a month since supply were replenished, said Jani Binazing, WHO living temporary housing a Buddhist minute drive from the city. The government mostly ship in rice, but vegetables are unobtainable. The water supply is often cut off. We also don't have work, said the 47-year-old Binazing. WHO used to run a store selling the rice. My main problem is our source of income. Of the approximately 354,000 people WHO fled the conflict, 200,000 also are still displaced despite the military initial goal of having all evacuee return home by the end of 2017, ni live in evacuation center in schools and elsewhere. Adjali Magé, 39, WHO reside in an evacuation center in the city of Ligan, north of Marawi, does not know how to respond to a government order directing evacuees to leave by April. We don't have anywhere else to go, twice. We will have to live in the street, he said. Several factors are put pressure on the Duterte administration. On March 14, the US announced it would provide 100 millions pesos, 192 millions de dollars américains, in food aid, bringing the total assistance to Mindanao to 1.2 billion pesos. The following day, Japan offered 27 pieces of heavy equipment and 1.1 billion yen, 103 millions de dollars américains, to pay for construction of temporary housing. Despite the outside help, reconstruction will be a heavy financial burden for the government. The Mindanao Development Authority has estimated the cost of rebuilding roads, schools and other infrastructure at 11 billion pesos. The new public safety is another challenge. Ronald de la Rosa, the Philippine National Police Chief, in late February warned that other cities on Mindanao are at risk. He called for people to bond war against the terrorist attack because the Islamists are attempting to regroup. The situation remains tense. In early March, a fighter WHO had been on the run was arrested in Manila. Peace negotiation between the government and another local Islamic group will also help determine whether the Duterte administration can kill the unrest in the southern Philippines. All to its position appears solid for